Alright guys, so quick tech tip here, soldering heavy bullets with 10 gauge wire. If you have a torch, put it in a small metal vise, put it on the side here, and this is really the best way to do these bullets. It's the best and it's the fastest way to do them. Let it get nice and hot. This one I already filled in preparation for you guys. There we go, we can see it starting to soften up. Okay, so now that this is nice and hot, we're going to take our wire, we're going to drop it right inside there and hold it still.